Welcome. Whether you are writing code, managing servers, testing software, or analyzing data, there is one technology you cannot avoid: JSON. It is the backbone of modern engineering. Today we aren't just learning syntax. We are going to see how JSON powers the entire software lifecycle. From the configuration files in DevOps to the API payloads in development, JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It replaced older formats like XML because it is lightweight and easier for humans to read. But here is the secret. Despite the name, it is language independent. Python, Java, C#, and SQL can all read and write JSON effortlessly. This universal compatibility is why it is the standard for APIs and microservices. At its core, JSON describes data using just two structures. First, the object, surrounded by curly braces. This represents a single thing, like a user, a server config, or a product. Second, the array, surrounded by square brackets. This is simply a list of things. If you can distinguish between a single item and a list of items, you understand the structure of JSON. Precision matters. In engineering, a number inside quotes is treated as text, which can break math operations or sorting algorithms. Strings always need double quotes. Numbers and booleans like true or false must never have quotes. And remember, JSON does not support comments. You cannot write notes inside a standard JSON file. If you are in DevOps or platform engineering, you will use JSON for configuration. Tools like Docker, Kubernetes, and NPM use JSON files to understand how to build and run your software. For example, a package.json file uses an array to tell the server exactly what software libraries to install. For data engineers and backend developers, JSON is often how data is stored. Modern NoSQL databases store information in documents that look exactly like JSON. This allows for nesting, where you can put an address object inside a user object, keeping related data together rather than splitting it across strict table rows. Whether you are fixing a broken build pipeline or debugging a failed API test, the error is often a simple syntax mistake. Rule number 1: no trailing commas. The last item in a list must not have a comma. Rule number 2: double quotes only. Single quotes work in Python or JavaScript code, but they are illegal in JSON. Rule number 3: case sensitivity. True with a capital T is not a Boolean, it's an error. Don't rely on your eyes to find these errors. Use tools like JSONlint to validate your format, or a code editor like VS Code which will highlight missing commas in red. For APIs, tools like Postman will automatically format the JSON for you, turning a messy block of text into a readable structure. To wrap up, JSON is the glue that holds the tech stack together. It configures our servers, transports our data, and powers our databases. Master the brackets, respect the quotes, and watch your commas. Do that, and you can handle data across the entire engineering landscape. Thanks for watching.